In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find archived emails in Gmail All Mail. This walkthrough is for a computer, and by the end, you'll know exactly where archived messages live and how to recognize them at a glance. In Gmail, archiving is different from deleting. When you archive a message, you're simply removing it from the inbox view. The email still exists in your account and can be found anytime. Think of archiving as clearing clutter without throwing anything away. Start by opening Gmail in your web browser. Once your inbox loads, direct your attention to the left-hand sidebar where your labels appear. This area shows common labels like inbox, sent, and drafts. If you don't immediately see everything, that's normal. Gmail hides some labels by default to keep things tidy. Click the option labeled More to expand the full list. This reveals all your labels, including the one we need. Next, select All Mail. All Mail is essentially the master list of your messages. It contains your inbox messages, archived messages, and other labeled email, all in one place. It does not include spam or trash, so you won't be sifting through junk, just the messages that are part of your main mailbox. This view is chronological, so you can scroll through it just like your regular inbox. Now here's the key to spotting archived emails. In the All Mail view, look at each message row. Some messages will display a small gray label that says Inbox next to the subject line. That little gray inbox badge means the message is still in your inbox. If a message in All Mail does not have that gray inbox label, it's archived. The email itself will look otherwise normal. Same sender, subject, and preview. But the absence of the inbox label is what tells you it has been archived. You might also see other labels you've created, and that's fine. Labels like projects or receipts can appear alongside the subject. Those don't indicate whether a message is archived. Only the presence or absence of the gray inbox label does. So remember, in All Mail, inbox label present means it's in the inbox. Inbox label missing means it's archived. That's all there is to it. Open Gmail, expand the left sidebar with More, choose All Mail, and identify archived messages by checking for the gray inbox label. With this simple method, you can confidently find any archived email whenever you need it, without hunting through settings or special folders.